Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Yes, I have some more dolly mail. It just keeps coming, folks. Okay, so this is actually doll mail slash crafting mail. And as you know, if you've watched any of my videos, I am a avid crafter. In fact, that's one of the things I like to do in combination with doll collecting is make items related to or for my dolls. And I recently made this little fox from a kit that I had purchased a while ago from an Etsy seller called Gingermelon. And this is all hand stitched. It's a kit with instructions. She has the pattern and everything. And I just thought it was so sweet. I really had a good time making it. I felt like it kind of extended my, sewing skills a bit. And I definitely need to work on my hand stitching. And I ended up with a cute little stuffed fox doll, so to speak. And this is a good size to go with various types of dolls, like 18-inch dolls and my smart dolls. So I looked on her Etsy shop and I got some more stuff from her. Also, I got some cards in the mail. I'm kind of really starting to get more serious about my YouTube channel, and even though I do not have plans to open up my doll shop in the near future, I'm really focusing on my YouTube channel at this point. I thought it was time to get some cards for my YouTube channel, because honestly I actually do quite a bit of mailing because I'm doing all these collaborations and sending stuff out a lot, and maybe eventually I will turn this into something that kind of pays a little money that I can put back into my channel. So I splurged on these cards. I think they look kind of cool looking, so it kind of has a little bit of a doll idea here. And sewing, crafting, sewing's my thing right now, even though I do crochet and knitting and other types of crafting, cross stitch. But anyway, so this came today and I thought they were fun, so I thought I'd go ahead and share them with you. All right, but on to the big thing here, the big enchilada. I got 2 kits, not 2, not 4. I got 2 kits, okay, 2 from Gingermelon. And here's one of them. Oh, look how cute this is. This is a little wiener dog. So here is her Etsy shop. She has a regular website too, I believe. Yes. She's got Gingermelon I think that's CA, Canada, I believe. And then she also has a blog on Blogspot, and then of course, Etsy. She has an Etsy shop. That's where originally I found her. So she has this cute little dog. It's got all the instructions. I think she has part of the supplies. I believe, if I remember correctly, when I made the fox, she had pretty much everything except for I had to come up with my own thread, and I added these buttons myself. She had you add little bits of, you make buttons or faux buttons out of the felt that comes in the kit, but I knew I had those buttons, so I just used those. But anyway, so I have the Dashoon puppy, Teasel. I thought that would look really cute with a doll. And then this little bear, oh my gosh. I thought he was similar enough to the fox that I could, work on, build on these skills. A little bit different though, and maybe a little bit more difficult because he has more clothing. So yeah, so that's all in there. I guess let me open up one. And so she has the felt, and her felt is supposed to be higher end, and I can definitely feel a difference with her felt versus felt I've purchased at like Michael's or Walmart or something like that. All right, so this is the little booklet. This has all the pattern and the instructions and everything in there. And then you have all the little pieces of felt. And in here, I believe, are the eyes. Yeah, so she has safety eyes. So basically, you need to have your own needle and your own thread, which is, not a big deal. And yeah, so I don't know when I'm going to be jumping on these. Right after I finished making the fox, and I had that fox kit for probably at least a year. Okay. But after I made it, I was like, oh, I wish I had another one of these right now. I'd make it the second. But of course, now I'm in the middle of a few other projects, but I will be making these eventually. I think I'm going to try to make the doggy first. That just looks so, so cute to me. So anyway, so I'm going to put this back in here, and at some point in time, I will be making it, and I will probably be sharing it on my channel with you. But otherwise, yeah, that's kind of it, you guys. What do you think? What do you think about little stuffed dolls? Does anybody collect stuffed dolls or make stuffed dolls? Let me know in the comments your thoughts. As usual, please give me a thumbs up. Please think about sharing this with other doll collectors. I'm really, like I said, I'm really trying to build up my channel, maybe become monetized at some point. So the support I get from my viewers and fellow YouTubers really makes a difference with that. And yeah, you guys have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye.